Hello students, today we start the new chapter, that is Heron's formula. So that chapter is basically depend upon the area of the triangle, that is any triangle, that is scalar triangle, right angle triangle, any type of triangle, we can use the Heron's formula. Come to the back, there is the right angle triangle, there is a formula, that is half into base into height. There is isosceles triangle, there is also a formula, but in a scalar triangle there is no formula to find the area of scalar triangle. So for that triangle, to find the area of scalar triangle, we use the formula of Heron's formula. But Heron formula is such type of formula, we can use any type of triangle, right? So the Heron's formula is given by the Greek mathematician Hero Alexanders, that is given by in around 65 AD, right? So that's formula, that is the area of triangle, that is the triangle ABC, that is C, it's A, it's B, that is the side A, B, C. So first we find the S is called the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C upon 2. And then we find the area of triangle, that is under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is called the semi-perimeter, the sum of all three sides divided by 2, so it's become the semi-perimeter. So in this form, with the help of this formula, we find the area of triangle. So come to the question number first of exercise 12.1. It's a chapter 12.1, the exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. First question is, a traffic signal is ahead, that is school ahead. There is written as school ahead. The side is given, that is the side is A. The side that is given A. Equilateral triangle is this. The all side is AA. By using the Heron's formula, we find the area of that triangle. So S equal to A plus A divided by 2. That is 3A upon 2. Right? So area of triangle, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S, that is 3A upon 2, that is 3A upon 2 minus A, that is 3A upon 2 minus A upon 1, that is 3A upon 2 minus A upon 1. Then we solve it. 3A, that is 1, A upon 2, that is also A upon 2, that is also A upon 2. When we find the common, you get A upon 2 into A upon 2 and under root 3. So area of triangle ABC, that is equal to A square upon 4 under root 3 square unit, that is square unit. So now the further question is, if its perimeter is 180, so perimeter of this triangle is 180 centimeter. So A plus A, that is equal to 180, 3A equal to 180. So A equal to 60. So side of that triangle is become 60, right? So area of triangle, that is 60 square upon 4 under root 3, that is 60 into 60 upon 4 under root 3, you get 15. So 900 under root 3 centimeter square. So that is 900 under root 3 centimeter square area of this triangle, right? So come to the next question. Then B, second question is, there is the triangle is given. In the second question, the triangle, the side wall of the flyover has been for the advertisement. There is the advertisement wall in the shape of triangle, that is 220 meter, the another one is 20 meter and 120 meter, that is A, B, C. So A equal to 120 meter, B equal to 122 meter and C equal to 22 meter. So that is the sides of the triangle. Then we find the advertisement earning rupees 5,000 per meter square area. A company hire that wall for the 3 months. How much rent did it pay by the company? So find the area first. A plus B plus C upon 2. So you get 120 plus 122 plus 22 divided by 2. So it's become 264 upon 2, that is 132 meter. So area of triangle, that is S, 132, 132 minus 120, 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22. So it's become 132 into, that is 12, and when we subtract it, you get 10, and when we subtract this one, you get 110, right? So 132 is written as 11 into 12 into 12 into 10, and 110 is written as 11 into 10, right? So that is 11 into 12 into 10, so it's become 1320 meter square. So such area of that wall. Now we find the cost of the wall. So cost, the rent is given for 1 year, that is 5,000. So cost of 1 meter square area for 12 months, that is rupees 5,000, that is rupees 5,000. What we want to find? That for the area is 2 meters square area for 3 months, that's for 3 months. So 3 to multiply with 5,000, then multiply with 3 divided by 12, so it's a 4, that is, so it's multiply with 0, 0, 0, then 5, 165. So such rupees is given for the rent, as a rent for 3 months, right? Then we come to the next question. So question number 4, that's a question number 4. Find the area of triangle, two sides which is 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Side is given 18 centimeter and B is given 10 centimeter, right? And the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So then we find the third one side. The two sides are given 18, 10. Then we find another one, A plus B plus C, that is equal to 42. 18 plus 10 plus C equal to 42. So C side, that is equal to 42 minus 18. 42 minus 18, so you get 28. It's a 28. 10 plus 18 is a 28. So you get 20, that you get 14, right? So it's a 14 centimeter. So then we find the S. S is perimeter half. Half of the perimeter, that is 21 centimeter. So area of triangle. Then we find area of triangle. So area of triangle, that is S, 21 into 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10 and 21 minus 14. So you get 21, then 3 into 11 into 7. So 21 is written as 3 into 7 into 3 into 11 into 7. So 3 into 7 under root 11. So 21 under root 11 centimeter square is the area of that triangle. Right? So then we take the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is there. The ratio is given. That is the last question. The ratio is given. The ratio is given, that is A, it's become the 12x, and B, that is 17x, and C, that is 25x. Right? So ratio is the given. So we can, when there the ratio is given, we use the one common number, that is x. So perimeter is also given. The perimeter is 540 centimeter. So A plus B plus C equal to perimeter. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal to 540. So 54x equal to 540. So x equal to 10. So it means A become 120 centimeter, then B 170 centimeter, then C 250 centimeter. Right? Then we find the area of triangle. Area of triangle, that is under root S. S is, we find the S, that is perimeter upon 2. 540 upon 2, you get 270. So 270 into 270, 270 minus 170, you get 100. 270 minus 120, that is 150. Then 270, you get 20. Right? So 270, 100, and 150, then 20. So it's become 3 into 9 into 10, that is 10 into 10. It's a 3 into 5 into 10, then 2 into 10. So there is common 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So 2 10 is common. From the 9 there is 3 is common, and from these 3 that is 3 is common. Then now the rest is, that is 5 into 2 into 10. So that is also become 10. So 10, 9 into 10. So you get 9,000 centimeter square. So area is become 9,000 centimeter square. So that's about your exercise 12.1. So thank you and have a nice day.